Greetings from Leiden University. My name is Ton Liefvaart, and I'm a professor of children's rights at Leiden University, and I hold the UNICEF chair in children's rights at Leiden Law School. In 2015, we founded the Advanced Master's Program on International Children's Rights, a small-scale, unique, international LLM program entirely devoted to international children's rights. This year, 2025, we celebrate the 10th anniversary of the program, and we are very proud of that. And that provides us with an opportunity to revisit our former students, currently our alumni, who graduated in this program after 1 year of studying at Leiden University. And today I have the pleasure of welcoming Francesca Pisanu with us back in Leiden, so to say. It's wonderful to see you, Francesca, and thank you for joining us. Could you briefly introduce yourself, Francesca, and tell us a bit more about when you did the study and when you graduated?
Thank you for having me here. Hello, I'm Francesca. I come from a small village in Sardinia, an island in the center of the Mediterranean, and I graduated from the Advanced Master in International Children's Rights in 2022.
2022, indeed. Yes, I remember that very well. Can you share a bit more about what inspired you, basically, to enroll in this program? What were your motivations?
Before joining my program, I completed my bachelor's in human rights, and I wrote my thesis on a topic related to children's rights. I also did a couple of internships in some NGOs, and I really wanted to continue studying and researching in this field. Enrolling in this master's program was a dream, but also felt like the most natural step for me. I spent hours and hours looking at the program, and I was fascinated by it. I was also looking forward to the opportunities that these could have given me.
Yeah. So a very deliberate choice, so to say, a natural step following up on your previous studies. You graduated in 2022, so some years ago. Could you tell us a bit more about what you do currently, and what kind of work are you doing, and how does that also relate to children's rights?
I currently work for Eurochild. This is the largest network of organizations and individuals working with and for children. And I'm EU Advocacy Officer. My work involves representing Eurochild externally, coordinating with colleagues, and providing timely input, really to ensure that our efforts are aligned with our advocacy objectives. It's all about influencing policies and legislation to ensure they advance children's rights. We collaborate with members and colleagues to get updated information from children and families on the ground, and through our expertise in children's rights and EU processes, we shape EU policies.
Yeah, so important because there's a lot happening in that field, of course. Are you based in Brussels?
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are. All right, good, interesting. Could you explain us a bit more about how your participation in the LLM program has actually influenced your career so far, and do you also feel that it opened up opportunities for you, and in what way?
It surely did. The advanced program provided me with comprehensive knowledge and comprehensive understanding of children's rights, both from a legal but also practical perspective. It fostered a mindset of looking beyond established knowledge, allowing me to view issues from different perspectives to assess whether a policy and a legislation truly benefit children and it is actually implemented. And I believe this approach is crucial because it enables me to collaborate effectively with our members, but also with other NGOs in Brussels and in other contexts. And I'm thus able to collaborate on a wide range of children's rights issues. So this sharpened my skill in advocacy, and it allows me to engage directly with the EU institutions to shape policies and legislations that are linked to children's rights.
Yeah, so interesting. I follow you through socials, and I see that you have a lot of there's a lot of work that you're engaged with, and also a wide variety of. So I noted the comprehensive nature of the study, right? So that really includes all children's rights, and And not only that, also children's rights in relation to other fields of international law, human rights more generally. But also you refer also to the development of professional and academic skills. So am I right to say that it is exactly that combination of theory and practical skills that help you now?
Yes, indeed. And then I combine it with my knowledge on EU policies. So it really had an impact on my career.
Yeah. Well, it's very good to hear, because that's what we want to achieve, of course, and we always want to improve also in that regard our efforts and to really make this program work for our students. Why would you recommend, Francesca, this program to students that might look at this conversation and are thinking about registering or not? Why would you recommend this program? And do you have also some advice specifically to prospective students?
I highly recommend this program to anybody who is interested or passionate about children's rights, because it really provides you with comprehensive knowledge, as I said, and it's quite holistic. So it also opens up opportunities that perhaps are not being thought before. And my advice is also do not give up. Because, for example, I applied in 2020, but at that time I didn't get the scholarship, and I reapplied the following year, and I was fortunate enough to receive it. And this happened because I didn't give up. And once you are in the master's program, it is important to embrace every moment, because it is intense, but incredibly enriching, and it really has constant opportunities to engage with experts in the field.
Yeah. Wonderful. Well, that is a very clear recommendation. Don't give up. And if you have any doubts, you can also check in with the program in advance to see what kind of opportunities you can also create for yourself to be better prepared for the program. Thank you so much, Francesca, for taking the time in your busy life at the moment, working for Eurochild. And it was an absolute wonderful opportunity to see you again and to welcome you again, virtually back to Leiden. Please stay in touch. We'd like to be in touch with our alumni. We'd like to follow you where you go and see what your next steps brings. But we can already for sure see that your career has taken off very well, and it is already enriching and meaningful. Thank you very much. For those who have viewed this video and you would like to get more information about the program, you can always visit our website. At Leiden University's website on the Advanced Masters in International Children's Rights is easily accessible. And if you have any follow-up questions, you can always reach out to our program coordinator or to our student buddies who are currently in the program but are ready to give you advice on what to do and in terms of your application. Thank you very much for joining us. Francesca, once again, thank you so much for being with us today.
It was a pleasure. Thank you so much.